What one's your favorite?
I think I like the New York one the best.
It's pretty cool.
I think that was the year before last year one. So yeah. So do I just wrap it in one layer?
Yep. Just put a couple of wraps around it. It's good.
Well, Melissa, what do you want to do with this thing that was on the snow globe? Just set it down right there. There, one done.
One down. How was school today, Jeff?
Great. I did an algebra test.
You get a...
I got a perfect score on it.
That doesn't surprise me. Good job.
Thanks. Where are these gonna go?
I don't know. You want to put them in the basement, probably, right?
Yeah.
It'd probably be better.
Another one. Should be a cashier that wraps up presents. I can see this bottom part of it. I only see the top. So cool.
That's your coolest one right there. I like that one.
Definitely. That's not my favorite, but it does look pretty cool. Just to shake it. You turn it upside down. Now, professional snow glober. Second coolest. That's my favorite.
What was the algebra test about? Besides algebra.
2-step and 3-step equations. You can't even tell that's snow globes. Where are we gonna put these? After they're all wrapped up.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking, because basement or garage? Probably basement, right?
Yeah. I know all the years of all my snow globes, like what birthdays.
How old were you?
9? I think. Okay, turns out I didn't. Thanks, Jeff. Oh, shoes and kicking the doorway carpet. Do that side. Okay. So basically, you can't carry it by that. You gotta. I'll do that side's lifting. You just need to make sure you secure it like this.
And don't grab it by this board, Jeff. This board is kind of weird. It moves.
Oh
So
yeah. Oh no.
Just kind of hold it right there and.
Yeah. Okay. You need
just
to
try it and see if.
Tip it like this way. No, you need to tip it back. So hold it there, Jeff, where I showed you. Let's go. Bring it to the mudroom and then we'll take a break at it.
You got it, He-Man?
Yeah.
All right.
2 kids in a shelf. Okay, so 2 minutes down so you can get a better grip. Okay. The stairs are going to be really complicated. Jeff, don't let this thing fall on you. Don't let it tip. Okay, stop falling. There. That's it.
Awesome. You did great.
Down.
Yeah, just put it anywhere.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. My hands are gonna. There! We did it.
1 down, 20 to go.
Oh no.
Take one at Yeah, just do one at a time.
Okay, we can do this one. You go on that side, Jeff. And then we'll go this way, right around. Oh, this one's easy. Wait a minute, it's not worth it. There we go. Now we're back.
It's all right. Take your time. Slow down.
Well, don't. Hold on to it.
Take it slow through the doorways.
Yeah. I'll just carry one hole. Be careful with the doorway.
Slow down though. Don't rush.
Okay, we'll rest. Ah, it's heavier than it was before. Do I stack it?
No.
Oh.
Good job.
Let's do the coffee table now. I set it down a little hard.
Side. It'll be a lot easier.
Oh
Yep.
yeah, to get through the door.
Yep.
Yeah, you don't want
Are
to
the legs
do it.
wobbly?
Jeff.
It's all right.
That almost
That was
got
close.
into the wall.
Good catch.
This side is so heavy. Okay. I can't, you keep slipping. Okay, let's go. You're running me over, slow down.
Is it too heavy?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Chuck, why are you taking baby steps? No! I can't get a good grip. It's slipping and ripping my skin off.
Should we do something different?
No, I think we can do it. You can handle some skin ripping for a couple minutes.
No, you don't need that skin.
Jeff, go. Oh no. Lift it up higher. Jeff, lift. You're tripping me. You're pushing it into me. Oh boy. Go.
Don't drop it.
So heavy. Go, Jeff. Woo. I don't know if this is the optimal way of pulling.
Taking a break?
Yeah. I love this chair, it's so comfortable.
Getting ready?
Yep. You may think like, where's it all going? There.
Oh yeah, that is where it's all going. You know that's got to get emptied out too for the carpeting, right?
Yeah. We need to get some more boxes.
Yeah, we do.
Let's carry this one. Okay. It's pretty light. Yeah, there's nothing in it. I'll go in the back this time. Another one. Go. Steering holding your radio. Yay. To the right a little bit. You're going so fast.